Children, today let us study about the solar system. So let us begin our voyage into the space. Now, can you view the solar system? Just look around. The solar system consists of the family of sun and 8 planets. These planets, they revolve around the sun. The sun is at the center and the planets are revolving around the sun. How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. Now, beside the planets, it also has comets, meteors, satellites, and millions of stars. Now, today I'm going to teach you about the solar system. Now, just see the sun. Sun is at the center of the solar system. Now, what is the sun? It is a huge ball of fire. We get the sunlight. Sun is not very far from the earth. That is the reason we can view the sun as a big ball. Now, because of the sun, we get sunlight. We can grow crops with the sunlight. Now, sun is one of the essential things in our life. Now, today I'm going to teach you about the different planets. Okay, so let us start. Now, sun is, it is a star. Now, it is in the middle. Okay, and sun is the closest star from the earth. That is the reason the sun is so big and it is so bright. Okay, so let us study about the planets. Now, the first planet is Mercury. Just view Mercury. Can you view? Now, it is a planet closest to the sun and the smallest in size. There is no water, air or atmosphere on Mercury. It is very hot during the day and freezing cold during the night. Just view Mercury. Now let us move to the next planet, and that is Venus. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet of the solar system. You can see it clearly in the sky early in the morning and just before the sun sets. That is why it is also known as the morning star or the evening star. It is also called sister or twin of the earth. Okay, now let us go to the next planet, the most interesting planet, that is Earth, where we live in. Okay, now let me explain you about the Earth. It is the only planet in the solar system that has life. We all live in the Earth, isn't it? Okay, it is located in the right distance from the sun. It has both air and it has water, which makes life possible on the earth. It is known as the blue planet. Okay, why? Because of the presence of water. There is more water than land in our earth. Okay, now let us go to the next planet, and that is Mars. Just view Mars. Can you see Mars also revolving around the sun? And the path where these planets revolve, it is called orbit. So Mars is what? It is a dry planet and it is very rocky also. There are many mountains and dust storms on its surface. It is often described as the red planet because the dust storms give it a red appearance. Our next planet is Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is so big that all planets can fit inside the Jupiter. So many planets you can just take and fit inside the Jupiter. Can you see the Jupiter? See its size? So big. It has a giant red spot. It rotates faster than any other planet. So It rotates faster than other planets. Just view Jupiter properly. Can you see Jupiter? Now let us learn the next planet, and that is Saturn. Now it is a gas planet and can be seen with our naked eye. Saturn has beautiful rings around it. Okay, it is very different from the other planets because of these 7 rings around it. These rings are made up of chunks of ice and rocks. Let's view Saturn. Our next planet is Uranus. Let's see Uranus. It has at least 10 thin black rings around it, but these rings are less visible than Saturn's rings. These rings are made up of dust. Uranus is rich bluish green in color. Now let us go to the next planet, that is Neptune. Let's view Neptune. It is the furthest planet from the sun. It's the last planet. Isn't it? Furthest planet from the sun. It is also coldest planet in the solar system because it is so far away. So Neptune is the coldest planet. We will be unable to stay in Neptune. Okay. So that is all about the planets in the solar system. Now children, please view the whole solar system. In the center, and see the planets are revolving around on their fixed path or orbit. Now these orbits are imaginary lines, okay, on which these planets revolve. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.